Hi Skin Games, this is Jamie Renee Asare. I am tuning in for week 1 of my age management case study. This is Miss Dorene. She is going to be my lovely model for the next 8 weeks. This case study, I am honored to say that I am sponsored by Neogenesis, and I'm very thankful for that sponsorship. During the next 8 weeks, we are going to be working on restoring some youthfulness to Miss Dorene. We are going to do a couple of microchanneling sessions, probably jet, definitely a microcurrent and lymphatic drainage massage, and then we'll see where we go. Miss Dorene, what do you like the least?
Wrinkles around my lips and at the corner of my eyes. And I don't drink from a straw and I don't smoke.
No smoking, no drinking from straws. We are definitely going to be targeting around the mouth, around the eyes. Miss Dorene's been seeing me for years. We met at the community beauty college where I was substitute teaching. She's been a lovely client of mine ever since. I'm thrilled to walk this journey with her over the next 8 weeks. Stay tuned for our transformation, and we'll see you next week. I want to make a quick mention about Dorene's lifestyle. In the time that I've been working with Dorene, we know that she struggles a little bit with hydration, but we've been working on different things like putting a water app on her phone, and also I recently discussed with her about collagen peptides and adding a little bit of that into water, tea, or a non-sugar drink. The other thing is that Dorene's been working on weight loss naturally just by watching her blood sugars. How much weight have you lost?
When I started, I was 180 and I'm 147 now.
In about 8 months now. You've dropped just about almost 40 pounds, 35 pounds for sure. I've just noticed, this is just monitoring blood sugars and blood spikes, and she has lost this weight. And I have noticed over this year that she's just lost a little bit of volume in her cheeks. We're gonna see what we can do. See you next week.